Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can do a payment from Revolut to SEB Bank. It is pretty simple and easy. Just open up your Revolut app and click on the payments right here in the bottom of the screen. Click on this white plus icon, and here you'll need to select a new payment. So select bank or international, select one of those. After that, add a bank recipient, select if it is individual or business, select a country, so it will be Sweden or Lithuania, it doesn't matter. Just select one of those. Where are you sending the money? And here you'll need to select a currency of that country. You will need to select IBAN, SWIFT code or sort code, first and middle name, last name, and after that click on this white, as you can see, arrow, and after that click continue, select the amount that you want to send, and review all the important information and click send. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.